Hello everyone. So the question it says that which of the following examples is not an example of animals using tools? Okay. So now let us take a look at the solution. Now scientists they once thought of tools used as a defining feature of humans only. Okay, but increasing research it shows that tool users on land, air, and sea in the animal kingdom are also present. All right. So let us take a look at which animals use tools. So first we'll be talking about chimpanzees. Now these chimpanzees, they are humanity's closest living relatives and apparently learned how to make and use tools long ago without human help. So they used tools without human help. All right.